Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you exactly how to tag someone on Instagram. It is very simple, so let's get started right away. So the first thing you need to do is to open up the Instagram app. Once you have done that, you want to go to your profile page in the bottom right corner. If you want to tag someone on the post you already have, you just need to click on that post. You want to click on the three dots in the top right corner of that post. Click edit, and then click tag in the bottom left corner of that post. Tag people. You can click anywhere on the photo and then just look up somebody. So I'll just do Mr. Beast, and then you just click done, and then you'll be able to tag them. And then, so now if you want to tag somebody in a future post, all you want to do is to add a post right here. I'll use this photo for example. Click next, next, and as you can see, you can click tag people right here. Click anywhere on the photo. I'll click right there. Use Mr. Beast again. And as you can see, it will tag them. And the final way to tag someone, if you put the @ symbol in the caption, so @ then Mr. Beast, you can tag somebody that way as well. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the